Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be making a windshield, a wind deflector for a roof rack. As you know guys, we have that Mercedes here and we put a roof rack and it's extremely noisy sometimes driving on the highway 75, 85 mile an hour. If we have the surfboard there, it's perfectly fine, it's less noisy, it's quiet, but we don't have the surfboard all the time. So we got that aftermarket roof rack, and it comes with extra brackets that we are actually going to attach to the bottom there, and we're going to make our own wind deflector, and we'll show you what we're going to use. Okay, remember the old hood was here in the front. Okay, it's this one right here. So we're going to cut a piece because it's aluminum, it's light. We're going to cut a piece, custom piece by the car sizes, and we'll see if that's going to work out and how we're going to attach it. Alright guys, so lastly we're installing it now. You can see where we mount it to the roof rack. Pretty stable, looks pretty cool. I think we're going to get a carbon fiber and most likely we'll wrap it in white carbon fiber. Right now we have only silver, so we'll just see what it looks like with silver, and later we're going to order one, just a white one. That way we can actually make it a little bit better. But check it out, I think it looks pretty good for being homemade. It's not Yakima or anything like that, but in my opinion I think it's even better. We went ahead and we wrapped the wind deflector with carbon fiber. We have just a gray carbon fiber now, we ordered some white one. So that's what it looks like. We tested it guys, 85 mile an hour, and that thing is holding really good. I haven't noticed any fuel consumption decrease or increase, to be honest with you, because it's been windy the last few days, but in my opinion it definitely should improve the fuel economy a little bit. I don't know if it will be noticeable or not. So that's it guys, you can see it looks, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, that's how it looks from here. So thank you guys for watching, see you guys next time.